So my journey from the Middle East to the UK, I would say, was a little bit challenging. I had to get used to different communication style, different professional backgrounds, different communication skills, which had its challenges at some point. But at the same time, I wanted to make sure that my communication style and my professional background is understood and accepted and incorporated in this new atmosphere that I had. My chartered engineering process has been challenging at some points, but rewarding overall. Since I was young, I always cared for the environment. I always wanted to do more for the environment, and that's why I chose engineering. However, being from the Middle East, an oil and gas dominated region, it was very difficult for me to get into renewables, and that's why I decided to do a master's degree in renewable energy, and this is when I started my job here in the UK in the renewable energy field. And after working for a few years, I felt comfortable and confident that my skills are now worthy of putting down in an application and going for the chartered engineering status. Becoming chartered is really a certification of that experience on a global level. Someone like me who has an educational background from the Middle East, an experience in Jordan, in UAE, in Kazakhstan, and now in the UK, it has been really beneficial to have this common understanding globally that this person is chartered, therefore they went through a process of vetting their experience, vetting what they've worked on, and actually evaluating the skills that they picked up along the way. I actually started feeling the benefits of becoming professionally registered from a very early stage. Right after I received my chartership certificate, I took a photo of it and I published it on LinkedIn, pledging to share my experience and my knowledge and everything I've learned so far with anyone who asks. The amount of messages that I have received was positively overwhelming. Colleagues, ex-colleagues, friends, and connections that I've never had before reached out asking for ideas and tips on how to become professionally registered. It connected me to a wider reach in the engineering community. I found the chartership engineering process to be long, demanding, but at the same time very realistic and reasonable. So I didn't look into it as a task that I need to finish, but rather than a journey. I thought that I will not submit an application until I'm confident of the examples that I'm providing, until I get it reviewed by colleagues in the industry. And here it's fair to mention that I had really a lot of help and support from ex-colleagues who became friends, but also I had access to many IET tools that includes free webinars, access to a PRA who gave me really a lot of valuable advice. I'd say that starting the application came with a lot of anxiety and self-doubt. I was aiming for perfection, but once you understand that it's just looking into what have I been doing as an engineer and trying to map out my experience against the set of competencies that the application includes, it put me at ease, and I took this journey with a lot of confidence and also with a lot of passion.